Okay, so here's the deal. We lined it with KaoWool. I'm using 2-inch KaoWool thick. It's fiberglass rigid, but it soaks up water. Had to have a little squirt gun ready. This is my water spout, my powder. I mixed it like you would a little bit of concrete like that. And we painted it. We painted it on. You don't need a layer. You need a sloppy mayonnaise sandwich layer, you know what I mean? Ketchup layer on a hot dog kind of thing. And it soaks in and it takes a day to dry. So this will form like a concrete. Ben right now is out cleaning. This will get to and withstand 3,000 degrees. COVID-19, apocalypse, zombie attack. What burns at 3,000 degrees? Part 2 out.